So good day. I know that it's been long since I posted here. So I just wanted to make this video come online and share with you guys why I haven't been posting for some time now. Sorry, I'm looking this way. I'm not feeling too well like that, but I'm okay. I'm okay. So the main reason why I haven't been posted is because I've not been trading. I've not been trading. So I sat back and I looked at my trading and I noticed that my trading has just been on try and error. Try and error. If you watch my series back, you'll notice that I've just been on try and error. Testing things. They work for some time. After some time I take some losses and it looks as if it doesn't work anymore or something like that. Maybe if I have an account by then, I would either blow the account or, like I said, I will try something, grow an account, and then end up blowing it. So my trading has just been on try and error. So I decided that okay, since I've just been trying things, how about I just sit down, stay, and then try and get a good mentorship for myself. It's not like I haven't gotten mentorships before. But they have mentorship and they have like course. When you have mentorship course where somebody shares pre-recorded videos for you, those ones are like courses. Then they have mentorship whereby somebody takes you by the hand and then teach you very well. So that's what I want to get a mentorship. Although I've already seen the mentorship I want to get, and I saved up small money for it. Although the money is not yet enough to get the mentorship, I saved up a little for it, and I'm having this urge to trade the savings and see if I can grow it to be able to pay for the mentorship. But at the same time, I'm still scared. I'm still scared because I know that trading is a game of probability, and I might just end up losing that small money I've saved up. So that's just what I've been up to. If you watch my last video I posted about um, making money from making money doing small jobs on a site, it's part of the thing I've like been doing, trying to see if I can raise small money, if I can raise up money to see if I can get the mentorship. So I've not really been trading. I've just I can't even remember the last time I opened my chat sef. So I just want to be intentional about learning properly how to trade. Learn properly how to trade, and then at least learn from someone that has actually been in the market and have experienced the market and actually knows what he or she is doing based on the results they are producing, not based on what they are saying, but based on the results they are producing. So I've gotten into trading classes like this before, but like I said, it's not like mentorship that somebody will hold you very well and then teach you. Sometimes it's just course selling video, pre-recorded videos that somebody will just show you and all those things. So that's just what I've been up to. So this video is already 4 minutes. So I don't know. So I don't know when next I will share a video, but I will still come back surely. I'm not giving up on this trade. I'll still come back and I will still document my journey, and by God's grace I pray I'm able to raise up the funds and I get good mentorship so that I can learn very well and then work my way towards profitability. So this is it. I'll see you in my next video. I'll still come back surely. I'll still come back to post it. So see you guys when I see you guys.